Hello, welcome to my channel. Okay, in this video I will cover WeakSet briefly because WeakSet is similar to WeakMap. The idea is the same. Okay, we talked about map and we set, and here we also talked about a WeakMap, and here we also have a WeakSet. So what is WeakSet? WeakSet is a collection of objects only, like a map. The map, the key is object only, and in the WeakSet, it only allows object only, and they cannot contain arbitrary. They cannot contain arbitrary value of any type. Oh, okay. Which means inside just as explain. Okay, WeakSet can only accept objects. It's different from set. Set can contain numbers, boolean, and primitive values, but WeakSet only objects. WeakSet is weak. Here the weak is same idea as inside a WeakMap. If you don't understand, you can go to watch the WeakMap, the videos, and then come back to WeakSet. This idea same, which is the reference to the object in a WeakSet are held weakly. So if no other reference to an object stored in the WeakSet exists, those objects can be garbage collected, which means you have an object stored in the WeakSet, and if besides the reference is being kept in the WeakSet and no other variables which is a reference to that object, this object can be garbage collected. Okay, it won't be kept. It gonna be removed from the WeakSet. And the same idea as WeakMap, it only has a add, delete, and has 3 methods. It doesn't have a way like do a loop. It doesn't have dot keys, dot entries, and dot values. Okay, you cannot loop to get all the values because it will bring the non-determinism, because you don't know when the object is being removed from a garbage collector. Okay, sometimes like 1 second you can find from set, and after another second then you can it's being garbage collected. So in a WeakSet, the same as the WeakMap, we don't have the looping methods. Okay, now let me show you one example. Okay, here we have example. We have to create it from scratch. WeakSet demo.html HTML5, and here let me add one WeakSet. Okay, and here we add a script. Okay, and how to create WeakSet? Use new keyword, right? New WeakSet. Okay, and you can do an add set.add. Here only 3 methods, and let me add one first. Okay, to see what's gonna happen. Okay, it will should give us error. And I will do is make this one to be on the left screen, and this one to be the right screen, and here Control V. Okay, and now I will inspect and to open the console. Let's see. Okay, invalid value used in WeakSet. It is the same as in the WeakMap. If we give primitive values as a key, you will also see this kind of error, similar errors. You have to give an object like x is 1 and set it dot if we do like this way, it will always be it cannot be removed because this object doesn't have any reference here. Okay, so we have to do like this way. Const obj1, okay, equals this one. Let me use let obj2 equals y equals 2. Okay, and here we can add obj1, and we add obj2, and we can do we print this set first, and we will see 2 objects being kept in the WeakSet. 2 objects, 1, 2. Okay, and you can see the values here. And now let me do like this way. Okay, set timeout, which is after 10 seconds I will mark the obj2 to be a none, and obj2 equals none, which means no reference, and we print this set again. And here we will add 10 seconds. Okay, this is 1 second, 10 seconds, because the value here represents milliseconds. Let's refresh, and here has 2, and after 10 seconds, let's see if it will print. Okay, because even we do like this way, we cannot guarantee. Okay, I just still have to not a garbage collected. Let's test for 20 seconds. Okay, if not, you try by yourself after class. Okay, it should remove automatically. Still have. Okay, I don't want to do again, because we can do another test like this way. Okay, we don't do like this way, we will do like this format, and then we can test like this way. CLG set.has, do we have obj2? Okay, because the noun definitely has false, right? You lost the control on that. If we assign to be none, this one is being lost, because we cannot directly copy and paste it here. It's all depends on the internal information on the WeakSet now, because when we do like this way, there are 2 different objects. This object held by obj2 previously is different from this one, so you will always get a false if you lost this reference, unless you have another one kept. Okay, so here I don't want to go. You can test it by yourself later. Okay, see how long the garbage collector will collect that. Okay, so this one demo has, you can also have a delete method, like you can delete obj1 and console log set. Let's see. Okay, and here still has one, probably is because this one is still not the garbage collected, but it's removed. Okay, this one is removed. Let me see, 0, 0, the value should be y2. Yes, y2, it's still not a garbage collected. Okay, let's see if we can do a for loop on that. It should not have. Okay, we can comment all others. Let me do a loop here. Let wait value of set. Okay, shouldn't. Okay, yeah, you cannot set is not iterable, because WeakSet, it doesn't, it's the same idea as WeakMap. It doesn't allow you to use a loop to see all the values inside. That's a problem of we don't know when this object gonna be garbage collected, when it's referenced only by the WeakSet, right? So that's the reason. Okay, only 3 methods as we demoed here: add, has, delete. Only 3 methods, no others. if you still don't understand the idea behind the WeakSet, I strongly suggest you watch my WeakMap videos first, okay? Because I explain details what is weak reference, what is strong reference, why we cannot use iteration, and all kinds of all kinds of reasons, okay? That's it. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.